Are you waking up at 3 a.m. every night? It's not just a coincidence, it's your body trying to tell you something. Sleep maintenance, sleeplessness. Stop waking up at 3 a.m. every night. Ever wonder why you keep waking up at 3 a.m.? It might not just be stress, it could be something deeper. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and our team is dedicated to helping you understand your health from the inside out. Sleep maintenance, sleeplessness, is when you wake up in the middle of the night and struggle to fall back asleep. It's more than just occasional restlessness. It can be a sign of adrenal fatigue. That's where your adrenal glands are responsible for producing crucial hormones like cortisol. They become overworked due to chronic stress. And when your adrenals get fatigued, your body's ability to maintain a healthy sleep cycle gets thrown off balance. So this can lead to waking up at odd hours, especially around 3 a.m., and feeling unable to fall back asleep. Waking up at 3 a.m. isn't just a random occurrence. It's often linked to what's happening inside your body, especially with your hormones and your nervous system. One major cause is cortisol dysregulation. Cortisol is supposed to follow a natural rhythm. High peaks in the morning, helping you wake up, and tapering off throughout the day. However, when this rhythm gets disrupted, cortisol levels can spike in the middle of the night, jolting you awake. So it's an opposite curve. Another factor is the autonomic nervous system, or ANS, which controls your body's fight or flight response. If your ANS is stuck in overdrive due to stress, your body might be on high alert, even when you should be resting. So then when you're in fight or flight, that means your body's producing a lot of epinephrine and norepinephrine to try to run away. And that's why you might not be able to rest and relax to go to sleep. Don't forget about your blood sugar levels. If your blood sugar drops too low in the middle of the night, your body might actually release cortisol to try to wake it up. And that's trying to wake you up to eat, so you don't have your blood sugar drop even more. So it's important to also get your sugars and your insulin and your cortisol levels checked. Did you know your brain, gut, and nervous system are all connected to your sleep patterns? Your sleep isn't just about what's happening in your brain. The whole circuit in your body plays a role in how well you sleep. That's the NeuroAffective Circuit, which includes the central nervous system, the autonomic nervous system, and your gut. The central nervous system is like the control center. It processes signals deciding whether to keep you awake or let you sleep. And the autonomic nervous system manages your stress response, which can keep you wired at night if you're off balance. The gut, which is called your second brain, produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, crucial for sleep. And when these systems aren't working harmoniously, like if you have gut issues, it can lead to the sleep maintenance issues, making you wake up in the middle of the night and not be able to go back to sleep. Could your blood sugar be why you wake up at 3 a.m.? Nighttime low blood sugar is a common reason why you might wake up at 3. When the blood sugar drops, the body sees it as an alarm and releases cortisol and adrenaline to raise it. The surge can suddenly wake you up, leaving you wide awake and anxious. Managing blood sugar is even more crucial for those with adrenal fatigue, as our bodies are already struggling to maintain this balance. To combat this, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day and night is important. So people with adrenal fatigue might have to eat small meals throughout the day and even at night. One strategy is to have a small snack with protein or good fats before bed. And that can help maintain your blood sugar levels and reduce the likelihood of waking up at night. So that would be like a handful of soaked nuts. Good sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's essential for overall health. During sleep, your brain undergoes critical processes like memory consolidation and detoxification, while your body repairs tissues and balances hormones. If you don't get at least 5 hours of uninterrupted sleep, these processes can't happen effectively, leaving you feeling groggy and out of sorts. Addressing the underlying causes of sleeplessness, such as cortisol dysregulation, blood sugar imbalance, and the nervous system overactivity, those are all vital to improving your sleep. So there are simple strategies like establishing a calming bedtime routine, practicing stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing, and ensuring a balanced diet can really affect how you sleep. Try eating some of the handful of soaked nuts like we talked about. prior to bed to mitigate that sugar and insulin spike and see if you can sleep better. If you want more tips on how to sleep better, then click this video to watch more. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, here to empower you to take control of your health.